Hello, dear Family First families. Welcome to February 9th, 2026. On the Family Life Skills calendar, today's activity is DIY Craft Heart Garland, a fun and creative way to bond as a family while making beautiful decorations. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather materials like colored paper, scissors, glue, string, and fun extras like glitter or stickers. Step 2. Fold paper in half and cut hearts of various sizes. Younger kids can practice cutting, while older ones add creative touches. Step 3. Personalize each heart with drawings, messages, or embellishments. Write positive notes or family members' names. Step 4. Attach the hearts to a ribbon or string using glue, tape, or clothespins. Arrange them in a pattern or let them dangle freely. Step 5. Hang your garland in a central spot and admire your colorful creation together. Let's see what you experienced and learned today. Creativity, designing unique hearts and decorations. Fine motor skills, practicing cutting, gluing, and assembling. Celebrate the joy of crafting together and let your heart garland symbolize love and unity in your family. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt from the Family Life Skills calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the Family First team. Thank you and all the best.